I'm bored. Me too. Me 3. What are we gonna do? I know, let's play house. Yeah, that sounds like a great idea. Okay, let's go. Scene 1. Hi, honey. Oh, hi. You. It's a game, now play along with it. Oh, I just got that job promotion. You did all that. Awesome. Hold on, let me comb my hair. Okay. How do I look? It's the worst kind. No, shut up and talk. Ow. Well, anyways, you're gonna make the money. What? Make those Jupiter and Mercury shake. Oh, ow. Oh, I thought. Scene 2 at dinner. Oh gosh, I'm so sleepy. Oh gosh, I forgot to tell you, it's dinner time. Oh, really? It's dinner? Okay. Go. Hi, I need another beer. Really, another beer gonna solve? Another beer gonna help you? Another beer gonna help you? Because we're gonna run into financial problems. It's gonna make it blurrier. Let's just keep eating. So, I told Mom about what happened last night. What? We didn't do anything last night. Yeah, no, we did. What? Your Mama. Oh! Roll's dead. Who's respect? Oh, you made the baby cry. What would you, wife? Ooh, make the money rain, yeah! Brown out, brown out now, brown out now. Smack that booty. House scene 3, the divorce. I have to have a talk with you. Why are we whimpering? I don't know. We have to get a divorce. Your old Mama. Oh, I was blinded by that joke. That probably just the alcohol I drank last night. Oh, burn. Everything looks spacey from the joke. Well, that's still probably the alcohol. Oh, I can't move right from the joke. Actually, that's probably still the alcohol. Look how fat I am. I'm so skinny, and I weigh 1 pound. I'm probably going to die of a coma now. Get up. Ow. Ooh, beer cans. Scene 3. Scene 4. The final talk. I need to get him. Whoop. Hello, everyone. Hello. We need to have one more talk before we break up. I hate you. Yo, Mama, so sad that whenever she was in Call of Duty, everyone got free combo shots. Oh! I was in a 360 no-scope because of that joke. Well, that probably did the alcohol I drank last night. Mom, Dad, I have to talk to you. I am pregnant. What? With who, baby? Mario, baby. What? Mario? A few fighting scenes later. I was explaining to why the heck are you going to beat me up? We'll play the game. Now play along with it. RKO. Scene 5, the move out. Oh, I certainly need a beer. Oh, wow, yeah, beer can help it. Ow! Shut up, I'm winning enough beer. Oh, really, like Mario? You ran out of keys. Wow. Wait a minute. Oh, come on, you ran out of my favorite kind of... You ran out of my favorite kind of beer. You ran out of Alpine. Wow. Motherfucker. So you have to drink you late for the night. Scene 6. The last touch. I came back. For what? The last touch. Oh, that's so nice. Actually, no, it's not. How? How's that second working for you? It's working fine. KO. Do it, cheek. Oh, dude, and you jump it onto the beer. 1, 2, 3. Ding, ding, ding. Time to go. Scene 7. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, baby. Baby, bye-bye. Bye-bye, baby. Baby, bye-bye. Headshot. That song. Guitar works. Medfield could be a character. Oh, God! Oh, hurricane onto the beer. Okay, so anyway, guys, that was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Say bye, guys. Bye. Bye.